In this video, we'll show you how to replace the washer fluid reservoir on your Chevy Colorado. This is located in the front of the vehicle and part of the engine bay. Let's get started. On the driver's side of the engine bay, looking towards the front of the engine bay, next to the radiator, we have a 10mm bolt holding in our reservoir. Moving over more towards the driver's side of the engine bay, we have another 10mm. Just in front of there is the back side of our headlight housing. You can turn counterclockwise. We're just going to pop that off for now. Looking at our electrical connector, you press in on the tab up towards the top. And pull up on the connector, release that. Always check your terminals for any damage or corrosion. At this point, you will want to have a receptacle under the vehicle, as you may lose some washer fluid. You can pull the washer fluid motor upwards and release that. We can remove our reservoir. You can remove the hose from the motor. We'll get the new hose onto the motor. Start to get that in. We can get the electrical connector back in. I'm going to push down and make sure that locks in. We can get our bolts started in. We can get the headlight cap back on. You just line up the tabs and turn it clockwise. Fill up your washer fluid and go ahead and test the system. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.